Hello everyone, I was doing this short for the COM tutorial and was trying to render. I'm going to demo this trick which I have did many times for rendering. So I know many of us are not so excited when it comes with rendering and all this stuff, that too on tight schedules. Many times it's hard to open the Nuke script itself and find the right node and then render. It's a long procedure, isn't it? So I suggest you to use the command prompt in Windows, as I'm a Windows user and the tutorial is all about that. Here I'm in Nuke working on the next part for the compositing tutorial. This is a long script and I'm trying to do some pre-renders here. I have already set the path here. All other settings are as default. I'm gonna render 60 frames here. So click on this OK button. Great, it took 5 minutes and 44 seconds to render inside Nuke. Okay, I have deleted the rendered images and let's try the command line operation right now. Yes, you can see the name of the write node is write1. Let's take CMD window or command window and type in the path of Nuke installation in our hard drive. Okay, right now it throws an error as not a recognized command. So we are changing directory to this folder. Type cd and then the path. Cool, now we are inside the Nuke folder. Let's type the name of the exe file and leave a space, hyphen and capital X, and this is for rendering. After this, the name of the write node to specify the render node which we need to perform. Leave a space. Here we have to paste the Nuke script path. Here we go. Let's type the name of the script also. And backslash script name, include the nk extension too. Okay, you can see here what all things I typed to set this up, and the path and the naming should be perfect or it's gonna throw you error. Enter. Here we go, it's rendering in command line right now. Cool, so to my surprise it rendered the whole work range within 5 minutes 16 seconds. I'm not sure what's the reason for that. Anyways, that's helpful. Okay, I'm going to load the render results inside Nuke now just to demo you, and it looks perfect. Also you can see the render inside the folders. Cool, so I hope this trick will save you some time, but make sure to follow all those naming conventions. And here X, that is for rendering, and here you can use any write node name. You can do multiple renders as well. Please visit the link in the description to know more. As always, see you in next tutorial. Till that, take care. Bye bye.